Wagwan goodies, welcome back to your girl channel. Today I am going to be making some fried rice, but I won't be using any rice. Yes, so you can call it shrimp fried rice, but I'm using quinoa. So you can use quinoa to make your shrimp fried rice to substitute the rice, because we're trying to make things nice and healthy and keep off the carbs. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to be seasoning our shrimp here, and I'm going to scramble some eggs. I already cooked the quinoa. You want to use a day old quinoa just like how you use a day old rice to cook your fried rice. So let's get seasoning. Let's season our shrimp, and we're going to fry up these first, the eggs, the shrimp, before we actually add them to our quinoa. Shrimp, I'm going in with some garlic powder and onion powder. Yes. Some smoked paprika. Some of my Maggi chicken seasoning. You can use Maggi all-purpose if you have that one. And some Cool Runnings chicken seasoning. You can use the all-purpose as well. So that's it. And we're just gonna combine the seasoning. Over here we have our oil in our pot. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to scramble the eggs first and then remove them from the pot, and then I'm going to add my shrimp, and we're going to cook our shrimp before we add our quinoa. Okay, eat 4 eggs. I just tip a little bit of salt. You don't have to add the salt is optional. So I'm just going to add this to the pot now. So now we're going to remove the eggs, and we're going to add a little bit of butter and add our shrimp. So we're going to let these get a nice little golden color. Alright, so now we're going to add some vegetables. Let's stir this in. I'm adding some bell peppers, and I'm going to add back the eggs. Alright, give this a stir. And now we're going to add our quinoa and our sauce. We have some oyster sauce and some Worcestershire sauce to add. You can add soy sauce as well. So I've added the quinoa. The quinoa is already pre-cooked. So I'm going to just combine this, and then we're going to be adding our sauce. So I'm going in with my Worcestershire sauce. Lovely. I'm going in with oyster sauce now. Beautiful. I'm just gonna combine this. Okay. See how beautiful this is looking? Look at that. Our beautiful quinoa fried rice. Shrimp fried rice with quinoa. I love garlic, so I'm going to add a little bit of garlic powder, not much. This is optional. If you want to make it spicy, you can add some cayenne pepper. Alright goodies, so this is it, the final result. Let me know what you think about this recipe. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, like and share, leave me a comment and let me know what you think. So all I'm going to do, I'm just going to add some green onions just for garnish. Beautiful. There you have it, my goodies. Until next time, walk good and let the good Lord bless you.